Hi everyone, this is Marielle again from Landrack, and today we are looking at 0.29 acre lot, which is at 6130 West Fresno Street in Eloy, Arizona. Now this is at Pinal County. Now the area has fence installed, and I guarantee it's going to be a future investment for you since it's close by growing cities like Horizon City, Phoenix, and Tucson. Now on the side here, you will see some actual photos and some aerial views of the lot. Let's just take a quick look. Now power poles are readily available within the area. Now, Eloy has striking desert landscapes, so that means it's going to be a perfect playground suited for hiking, mountain biking, camping, and a lot of outdoor recreational activities. So Eloy is just south of Phoenix. It's less than an hour drive. It's midway between Phoenix and Tucson. Now here are some actual photos of the area. Again, fences is already installed within the area or within your lot. Now if we're going to go back and scroll down a bit, you will see here property details and the buyer's application form. At the bottom of the web page, you will see here full screen view of the lot. Now just click in full screen view and you'll be directed to an interactive map that will provide you full dimensions, borders. It's basically going to give you a feel of what is being in the area. And this is powered by our map card software. Now this is our lot. Again, can be accessed through Fresno Street. I'm just going to show you that your lot is just close to Highway 10. Here are a lot of developed land on the south. Horizon City is also close by. So Horizon City is a fast-growing city with lots of construction going around the area, which means purchasing a land here in Eloy will be a good investment for you. Now again, this is Highway 10. Highway 10 can bring you to Phoenix up north and Tucson on the south. Now if you're interested with this lot, it's available at realestate.com with cash discount price of only $6,500. We offer seller financing with no credit check required. You just need to fill up the buyer's application form. You can put in a down payment of only $200 to reserve the lot. If you have any questions, you can call us at 928-515-3510. We also have our live chat support in which you will be directed to our sales manager, George, and he will further assist you. Thank you.